Welcome to Mr. Slow English.
Learn English slowly.
Hello, and welcome back to Mr. Slow English. I'm your teacher, and this is Riya. We've mastered 2 present tenses, simple present for habits and present continuous for actions now.
Yes, I can speak about always and right now.
Fantastic. But Riya, listen to this common mistake. When you speak, do you ever say, I ate coffee this morning, but you are talking about something you just finished? Or, I saw my friend today, when the day isn't over?
Yes, I know my words are wrong, but I don't know why.
The problem is the tense. You need a tense that connects a finished action in the past to a present result or a present time period. That's the present perfect tense. Today, we unlock one of the most powerful and confusing tenses in English. You will learn the simple formula, have, has, plus V3. By the end of this lesson, you will confidently talk about your life experiences and all the things you finished just now. Get ready, your English is about to sound 100% more natural. Part 2. Structure and formula. Have, has, plus past participle. The present perfect tense has a simple 2-part formula. Look at the screen. Formula: subject plus have or has plus past participle or V3. We need 2 key components. Have or has. We use have with I, you, we, they. We use has with he, she, it. Remember, has already has the S sound. And the past participle, V3. This is the 3rd form of the verb. We will use simple verbs today. Example: finish, to finished, eat, to eaten. Let's practice with the verb finish. Riya, make a sentence about yourself finishing a project.
I have finished my project.
Perfect. Now, your mother drank coffee, V3 is drunk, and now she is ready to go.
She has drunk her coffee.
Excellent. You correctly used has with she. This means the coffee is gone, action finished, and now she is ready, present result. Part 3. Negative sentences and questions. Since have, has is the helper verb, this is easy. For negatives, just add not after have. We use contractions, haven't or hasn't. Formula: subject plus haven't or hasn't plus V3. Say this, Riya. Your friend hasn't arrived yet.
My friend hasn't arrived yet.
Now, for questions, we just switch the have or has and the subject. Look, you have eaten lunch. To have you eaten lunch? Riya, ask me a question using the verb see.
Have you seen my notebook?
Good question. No, I haven't seen your notebook. Now ask about a single person, your brother. Use the verb study, V3, studied.
Has my brother studied for the test?
Yes, he has. He has studied all morning. Part 4. Key uses and signal words. Teacher, the two most important reasons to use present perfect are experience, talking about something you did or didn't do in your life, use ever or never. Example, I have never eaten sushi. Or experience, unfinished time period. The action happened during a time that is still continuing. Today, this week, this year. Example, I haven't seen my friend this week. The week is not finished. Unfinished time. Let's practice with experience. Riya, ask me if I have ever traveled to Japan.
Have you ever traveled to Japan?
No, I haven't. Now, let's use the unfinished time idea. Talk about your homework today.
I haven't finished my homework today. The day is still continuing.
Perfect. The key is that the time, today, is still active. This is the difference that makes your English sound natural. Part 5. Review and call to action. Riya, you have conquered the present perfect tense. You can now use have and has to talk about your whole life.
I have learned so much. I have finished this lesson and I am ready for the next one.
That is perfect. To lock in this knowledge, you must do 3 things right now. Subscribe to Mr. Slow English. Hit that button so you don't miss any part of our easy step-by-step masterclass. Do the homework. Write down 5 experiences you have had and share one of them in the comments below. And watch video number 5. Now that you know present perfect, it's time for the present perfect continuous, the how long lesson. Click here to continue your journey.
Keep practicing. Goodbye.
Goodbye.